support of this amendment. You know, I've only been here for my third term, and I've been through several budgets now. And I have to say, I thought yesterday morning was going to be like any other pre-budget session, except for when we walked in the building and we got the news that GE, which is located in my hometown, who's never made a statement that I can remember or recall in any history, that they were cautioning this legislature because they might leave our state. And then Aetna and Travelers made similar statements, and this place was pretty shocked. But as a Fairfield resident, I was pretty scared, because GE is an important part of my hometown. They're a corporate citizen that does a lot for our community. And our property taxes would rise exponentially without them. People who own homes, who pay property taxes, who send their children to our schools, could very well have to move and follow GE. It would be a big hit to my hometown. I would think it would be a big hit to the surrounding communities whose residents are employed by General Electric. You know, a lot of people are talking about corporations as being these sort of detached buildings that maybe aren't really anything important, and everyone who works there is a millionaire or a billionaire. But that's not true. These corporations create jobs for people. You know, I may be just a small business owner who owns a heating and cooling company with my husband, but we create jobs. And maybe some people look at our company as being some big detached company, but we're just a family-owned company. And it's all these companies, and yes, corporations, that make up an economy, that give people the opportunity to have jobs, to work, to pay all these taxes. But at some point in time, it's just too much. And I know the Republicans on this side of the aisle stand up all the time and talk about it's too much taxes. But you know, we had our own public hearing because there weren't public hearings on a lot of these taxes, and 800 citizens sent in testimony. Hundreds of people showed up to testify against these policies. And I'll tell you something, I don't remember any billionaires being in the room or millionaires being in the room. Frankly, I don't think there were any people making over $500,000 a year in the room pleading with this legislature to give them a break. Just give them a break. They grew up in this state. They're trying to make a living, and it's just getting out of hand. I hope that you'll at least think about this, because if these corporations leave our state, it's not just billionaires who will be hurt or millionaires, but it'll be average, everyday, middle-class people. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.